Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Jira projects to Excel for stakeholders. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Jira project within the web application. Navigate to the specific project you want to backup. Click on the Issues tab from the project menu. Select Search for Issues to access the Issue Navigator. Use the filters to narrow down the issues you want to export. Set the appropriate criteria, such as status, assignee, or date range. Once your issues are filtered, look for the Export option. Click on Export to reveal the drop-down menu. Choose the format labeled Export to Excel, All Fields, or Export to Excel, Current Fields, based on your needs. A new Excel file will begin downloading to your computer. Open the downloaded Excel file to review the data. Verify that all relevant fields and information are included. If additional formatting is needed, make adjustments within Excel. Save your final Excel file with a recognizable name. Share this Excel file with your stakeholders as required. Ensure you provide context or notes if necessary. That's the process for backing up Jira projects to Excel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.